In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a text message straight from your Gmail account. This is an incredibly handy feature that can help you streamline your communications, especially if you're already working within your Gmail and need to send quick updates or keep in touch without switching devices. Let's dive right into it and make sure you get a clear understanding of each step involved in the process. First, ensure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you're in, you'll want to start by clicking on the Compose button to create a new email. This button is typically located on the left-hand side of your Gmail interface. After you click it, a new email window will open, and this is where the magic starts to happen. In the To field, enter the recipient's phone number. But instead of just typing the number, it's important to follow it with the gateway domain of their carrier. This might sound complicated, but all it means is adding an email suffix tied to their provider. For example, if the recipient's carrier is Verizon, you would type recipient's phone number at vtex.com. The gateway domain varies depending on the carrier, so if you're unsure, a quick online search for carrier SMS gateway domains should give you the information you need. Now that the recipient's information is set, you can focus on your message. In the subject line, you can leave it blank or type a brief headline for your message. This part is optional since it's a text message, but it can be useful for keeping things organized if you expect a back-and-forth conversation. In the body of the email, type out your message as you normally would. Since this is being sent as a text message, it's key to keep it brief and to the point. Considering the character limits of typical text messages, aim for a concise communication. Once your message is ready, it's time to hit the Send button and send it off. This step is as simple as sending a regular email. After sending, you should know that sometimes there can be a slight delay before the message appears on the recipient's phone. If there's no immediate response, don't worry. The message should be there soon. Remember, this method is convenient, but it's not always foolproof. If the recipient's carrier doesn't support email gateways, the message might not get through. So, if you find that your text hasn't been received, it might be worth checking with the recipient on which provider they use. And there you have it. By integrating email with texting capabilities, you've opened up an efficient way to stay in touch. Practice this method to get familiar with different carrier gateways, and soon enough, sending text through Gmail will be as intuitive as sending emails.